Sounds Part 1. Wait, I wasn't ready, bitch. That wasn't right, BB. Nah, that don't count. You fucked up. Alright, you go first. Oh! You lost! I won, y'all. See, I won. Why did you laugh? Maybe you gotta hold it in. Hold your mouth. Well, I should go again. Alright, you go. Hold up. That's it. Alright, gotta get my last one. Alright. It can't be for that long. You cheating. You doing it too long. It's only supposed to be like 5 second sounds. You kept doing it though. And you can't dance. You make the noise. You fucked me up. BB don't know how to play a game fair, y'all. She don't know how to play it fair. You supposed to. What I just seen. Where's my damn? Oh no, they on the damn thing. But anyway, what I just seen. They said for like 3 seconds, 4, 5 seconds. You did it like, what the fuck is the dance for? That's what made me laugh. Cause you was, what the hell, hula hoop in the, man, this game suck ass. It ain't for funny niggas. I laugh too much. I can't keep a straight face. I'm ticklish. I think that's why. Like, just that was the dumbest shit you could have done. Like, you supposed to make a sound. It's hard to make sounds too. I'm like, yo, what sounds do I make anyway? I don't really sit there and make sounds. You just sound like a snoring fat motherfucker. What the fuck? What shit? Shit broke. Alright.